welcome to my channel. Travel tips, trips, and life hacks. Today I have a great life hack for you. It's actually a product review, but it's a great life hack. Everybody's so into protein, getting protein in your body, living healthy, eating healthy. One of the best sources of protein is eggs, and I have the eggs right here. But does anybody really like boiling eggs to make them hard-boiled? I know I don't. I can never figure out how much time to put, when they should start boiling, all of those details. So I said scrap that. But I still want to eat hard-boiled eggs, and they're pretty expensive when you buy them in the store already hard-boiled, if you're doing that and eating like 3 or 4 of them a day. So I invested in a hard-boiled egg maker. I grabbed 2 of them to see which one I liked best. They're about $1 apart on Amazon right now, so it wasn't a matter of cost. It was just, I couldn't tell which one I liked better in the picture. So when I got both of them, what I found is this one over here, the 𝖲𝖃 Gourmet, has an extra piece. Everything is the same, except this one comes with a 3-container egg cooker, and this one, the 𝖲𝖃, does not. And the other thing I really liked and over the 𝖲𝖃 one was the button right here. So as you can see, they are different. They're just the on and off switch, pretty basic. It really doesn't matter. Believe me, it really doesn't matter. But my preference is I like blue. It's my favorite color. And also this one is so like old school and boring, where this one I felt was a little more contemporary. So I did stick with the 𝖲𝖃 Gourmet cooker. That's the one I'm going to be using today to show you. And that is why I picked that one. So let's dive in and boil some hard-boiled eggs with this machine, and I will show you how it works. This is a super simple machine, and it makes my life so much easier. You have this little container. We're going to fill it up with water. You're going to fill it up to where it says hard if you're making hard-boiled eggs. So once you get your water filled up to the hard line for your hard-boiled eggs, you're going to pour it right in that little container there. And then you get to build. So come over here, you're gonna put your tray down for your eggs and build your eggs in here. There is a thing as I'm filling these, it says that you should pierce, as I'm building the eggs here, it says that you should pierce your eggs with this little sticker thing right on the top. I've never done that. I don't really know why it says that. Maybe it helps. I don't want the eggs exploding, so I've never done that. The bottom holds 7. You put the little tray on here around it. You put another tray on. It is super simple. Even your kids can help you with this. And then you're gonna put another 7 eggs. So a total of 14 eggs. You actually do not have to do all 14 eggs. You can do it with 7 eggs. You can do it with 12 eggs. So it has a lot of flexibility, but you would still use, what I found, you would still use the same amount of water. Let me get mine filled up here. So I have my 14 eggs, 7 on the top, 7 on the bottom. The water is in down here in this little tray. I'm going to put that lid on, and I am going to turn that button on. You can see it turns on blue. It will be on for 11 minutes, cooking these eggs perfectly, and once they are cooked, I will come back and show you how I get them out. I actually eat the hard-boiled part, not the yolk. It seems like a lot of eggs to go through, but I don't eat that yolk, so I just want the protein. So we are going to wait until these are ready, and then I will show you the next step. I'm waiting for the eggs to cook. They are getting their little bath. Look at what's happening. It's boiling in there. All right, so that just beeped. We're going to get those eggs out of there and peel them to make it easier while they're warm, even though some say it's easier, some say it's not. I'm going to peel them so that way they are ready for me every time I want a snack. I have all the eggs peeled. They are all right there, ready to go in either a lunch bag, travel bag, or just for a snack. So they'll make this week way easy. That finishes up our hard-boiled egg product review. If you have any jokes, any egg jokes, I would love to hear them. Comment below with them so I can get a laugh and some of the other viewers can as well. Thanks for watching. Why was the new egg so happy? Because it just got laid. What did the egg say after it was ghosted? Why are you ignoring me? What did the egg say to the clown? You crack me up. What's an egg's favorite type of coffee? An egg espresso, of course. The last thing I thought I would ever be doing is egg jokes on camera. So, only the universe knows where this will take me next, this journey of videotaping for you guys.